Welcome back, students. In this class we continue the introduction to trigonometry chapter 11 exercise 11.4. Here we start in today's class we'll start the fifth problem in question 5. Fifth sub problem in question 5. The question given is cos A minus sin A plus 1 cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to cosecant A plus cot A. So first step is we'll just state I will write the problem once again. Cos A minus sin A plus 1 by cos A plus sin A minus 1. Now first step is divide both numerator and denominator, by sin A. This is the first step. This is the given problem. Just divide. Now we'll take cos A minus sin A plus 1, the whole thing divided by sin A. Next, the cos A plus sin A minus 1, the whole thing divided by sin A. So now we have to split both numerator. How? That is cos A divided by sin A minus sin A by sin A plus 1 by sin A. Here also sin A. So we are splitting this and writing. Now again denominator cos A by sin A plus sin A by sin A minus 1 by sin A. Now after this, so this is the problem. Here we'll what all the formulas or you're using, we'll just write here. So what is the first thing now? So cos A by sin A will take this one. Sin A is equal to cot A. So we'll use here. So write down, that is cot A. Next step, then sin cancel, sin cancels, minus 1 plus, what is 1 by sin A? 1 by sin A is equal to cosecant A. Substitute here cosecant A. Now in the denominator, see here cos A by sin A is cot A plus 1 minus 1 by sin A, again cosecant A. Now rearrange numerator. Is this one. How to rearrange? Cot A plus cosecant A minus 1 by cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A. So we know that cosecant square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. So now substitute for 1 here. This thing we have to substitute for 1. So cot A plus cosecant A, 1 is what we write here, cosecant square A minus cot square A by cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A. So now this one can be written as, that is, a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into, so what are formulas using, I am just writing here side by side. Right here, this one you have to apply for this one, a minus b. Therefore cot A plus cosecant A minus of cosecant A minus cot A into cosecant A plus cot A. So this thing is there. Now cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A. Now next step is, now we have to take common. So we'll continue in the next sheet. So it is a lengthy problem. Then once again I'll write down the cot A, where we left. I'm writing down cosecant A minus of cosecant A minus cot A into cosecant A plus cot A. So divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A. So next step, take common. Take common. What is common here? Cosecant A, cot A plus cosecant A. So take common cot A plus cosecant A. So cot A plus cosecant A. So this will be 1 minus, what's the remaining here? Minus cosecant A minus cot A. So then write down the denominator as it is, cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A. Now remove the bracket. Remove the bracket here, this one. So after this, remove the bracket, means what happens? Cot A plus cosecant A 1 minus cosecant A, bracket if you remove this, minus into minus will become plus, plus cot A. Then write down the remaining things as it is, that is cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A. After this, so see, this is, there is common between these two, so this and this cancels. Finally what we get, that is remaining is cot A plus cosecant A. So what was the question here? RHS is equal, LHS is equal to RHS. So this was the question. See, we took this one, cos minus LHS plus 1 by cos A plus sin A minus 1, which is equal to C cosecant A plus cot A. So LHS is equal to RHS. So this is the solution for the fifth sub problem. It's a lengthy problem. So we move on to the next one. That is sixth problem. So sixth problem is square root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A is equal to secant A plus tan A. This is the problem. So what we have to do, first step is the same thing, multiply. First step, multiply numerator and denominator by root 1 plus sin A. Therefore, take the first step, 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A by 1 plus sin A, both numerator and denominator. So as we know here, 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A. So here now multiply. So after multiplying, 1 plus sin square A into 1 plus sin square A, we will get 1 plus sin square A in the numerator. In the denominator, we will get, as we know, A square minus B square for this numerator. A minus B, A plus B into A minus B. Apply this for the denominator. Then we will get 1 minus, consider this one as A and this one as B. 1 minus sin square A will get. So after this, so 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. Substitute this here for this. So square root of 1 plus sin square A by cos square A. So now this is square outside here, because 1 plus sin square into square will be outside, not inside. Then here this square cancel. Remove square root means cancelling this, and again this and this square, this square root cancels. Or you can also write like this, 1 plus, this one is wrong, let's write down. There is lot of difference between 1 plus sin square A or, and also 1 plus sin the whole square. So whole square by like this, we can split it. This will be cos square A. Then this square cancels, this square cancels. Finally, we can write it as 1 plus sin A by cos A. Cos A. Now we have to split this. Splitting 1 by cos A plus here plus sin A by cos A. Split this. Then 1 by cos A is what? Sec 1 by cos A is equal to secant A. Secant A. Therefore, substitute for 1 by cos A secant A plus sin A by cos A is tan A. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS is proved. So now we move on to the fifth. We finished sixth. We move to the seventh problem. So seventh problem is seventh problem is sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta. So we'll see how to solve this. So first step is take common. Take common, that is sin theta in numerator and cos theta in denominator. So next take sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta by denominator what? Cos theta we have to take, then 2 cos square theta minus 1. So after this now we can use this, that is sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta in the numerator. So write down sin theta is equal to, write 1 outside and 2 here, then 1 minus cos square theta, close this and this. Next, in the denominator cos theta, write down 2 minus cos square theta as it is, minus 1. Now remove the bracket or multiply. Here this one, remove the bracket. I'll just write, remove the bracket, or we'll just write multiply. Then what happens? Sin theta into 1 remains as it is, 2 into 2 will become 2, then this goes minus into minus plus 2 cos square theta. After this, remove this bracket also, then write down cos theta, then 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now simplify sin theta, 1 minus 2 will be minus 1, minus 1 plus 2 cos square theta, taking cos theta by 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now rearrange this one. Then if we rearrange, sin theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1, this one, right, minus 1 this side. Finally cos theta, then 2 cos square theta, right, as it is. Denominator we have just kept as it is, only we are changing the numerator, and this whole things cancels. Finally what is remaining? Sin theta by cos theta. Finally the answer is sin by cos is equal to tan theta. So we can write here sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. So this is we substitute here. So finally what we are getting, the LHS is equal to RHS. Hence it is proved. So this is the solution for the fifth subproblem we solved today's class. Fifth, sixth and seventh subproblem of the fifth main question. So if you have any doubt, comment me, subscribe my channel, share and like all the videos. Thank you.